All right, out here on a little waterfall mission this morning. This is the East River, and this is the takeout. This is called the Stupid Falls, and I'm guessing why they call it Stupid Falls is because there's a weird kind of reconnect in the middle, and the GoPro doesn't really do it justice. It's probably 60-70 foot from the top lip to the bottom down here, but it's not vertical. It's like a sloping angle, so you're going to come down and you're going to do a reconnect there, and I'm just not feeling that reconnect. Mason seems to be pretty confident about holding an angle and dropping off with an angle and then hitting straight and firing out. I have seen this ran before. This is not a first descent, but there's 3 safety guys down at the bottom, so it should turn out pretty cool. They're down there doing their last minute kind of thoughts on the line. It's one of these things, you know, it's easy to sit here and be like, oh, I see a line. Well, get in your boat and get down there. Yeah, then tell me if you see the line. But I've seen some lines on this before that go really well, and I've seen some that didn't go very well. And just to give you guys let you know, when I'm doing things like this, I'm tethered in up there and tethered into my vest, because obviously I wouldn't be standing here. It's easy to kind of forget where you're at and walk around, but I'm pretty much safe. I got my helmet on, I got my PFD on, and then I'm tethered in up there where I cannot slip and fall. So my footing does slip. I'm not going off the, that would be a really stupid falls to go off this edge right here. Went smooth, just like I thought. I knew Mason would make it look easy. So there it was, Stupid Falls. They fired it up. Pretty impressive.